Hello, leader.
How are you? Good evening, sir.
أول كعوتنا. أوكي. كعوتنا. زوجنا. How are you? Thank you, Excellency. Is everybody?
Everybody's fine.
I never learned by that kind of
Excellency! Excellency!
Press to leave because we want to speak.
The Zege Mule of several titles across the globe. When I got in here, some of my colleagues called me and said, Dino, what is happening? I thought you are not supposed to be here, you are supposed to be somewhere else. And I told him that I have stopped following aspirants and now follow candidates. Anybody who have no candidate experience, anybody who have no candidate experience, I don't want to experiment. Because it's an experiment that took Nigeria to the level we are now. So that this man have the capacity to unify this country. First, I will start by introducing a media guru, a topmost politician in this country, highly detribalized, and a very high chief from Edo State, High Chief Raymond Dekwesi, the proprietor and CEO of DAR Communications, as he was then.
Good evening.
I also have here.
Let me note, please.
To say that we do not revere you. FEMA, a politician, grassroots from the southwest, from Kano State, former commissioner, former this, former that, and a former governor of Adamawa State, Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Atiku in and out. He is very close and very well. Senator Ozana. And without wasting much time, I introduce myself also by the special grace of God. When you hold the woman by the corner, you have no room to say the leader. Yes.
Come this side.
The next president. Your friends are here.
Your die-hard.
Your president.
Whether I like it or not.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.